Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit photos on CapCut PC. So I have, let's use this photo, and I can use filters and like video effects on it. So I'm just going to add in this filter, for instance, and I can go to effects and I can even add in more effects. I'm just going to go to the retro one and add in maybe this one, and I can also go to textures as well, which is down here, and add in some textures to it. Just the opacity here. I can even go to stickers and add in like a frame. So go here and well, you can search for it, but they do have like a specific one for frame here, as you can see, and you can like add that to your photo like this. It's totally up to you which frame you want to use. Of course, there's a lot to choose from. I'll just use like the Polaroid ones, maybe like this one. I do have to change like the frame ratio for that one, so I'll just choose something else. You can scale it down as well if it's too big, of course. I'll use the one that which one did I use? Okay, this one's a little bit too small. Whoops, let's just turn it back here. Okay, I don't really like that frame. Which one did I use just now? Okay, this one was the one that I used. Actually, I'll use this one. Okay, once you're done with that, you can add in text as well and stuff like that. But I'm just going to export it as an image. So select these 3 lines, export still frame. Make sure you got everything correct. Export, and it will export as an image, and that's how you can edit photos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!